Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're going to do an unboxing, and this is a Polene Numero Nano, and this came from Spain, and I paid $260 and the shipment is $25. I'm not sure, I paid through PayPal. I don't know if I was charged with international fee, but basically it's $285 with the shipment, and this is what it looks like. I have not seen this in person. I just opened the box because I want to open this with you guys. So the box is really nice looking, white shimmery. It has a little shimmer box which says Numero Uno Polene, and let's open it. I just saw this in picture and then find it so cute. The colors are already limited and I got this color. I wanted the black or the brown, but this is the only color that's left. This design and shape, so I got the burgundy color, and let's open it together. I'm so excited because I'm really curious what it looks like, and this is my first Polene bag, and the dust bag is like a felt cloth which is really substantial, and this is the purse. It is so cute. So let's open it together. Okay, so it has a handle, and the purse looks like this. So it's a deep burgundy with textured material, and it's in leather, and to open you have to flip this down and then it will open like this. So it has also a lock closure here if you want the bag to extend the shape, if you have more things inside. So I'm going to remove this, and this is what it looks like. So let's see if it's easy to close. So close up, the bag looks like this, and the leather is not soft, it's really structured, and it has one compartment here for the phone. So maybe half of the phone we're gonna fit this in here, and then it looks like this. The handle is substantial as well, and it has 4 feet at the bottom. And I'm gonna wear this crossbody to show you. So it looks like this. It is so cute. Like this, guys. What do you think of this, guys? It is just so cute. This bag is really well made, and I really like the shape. So again, to open it, it looks like this. Go ahead, guys, and do what fits in this purse. So currently, I'm using this pochette métis in reverse, and then we're gonna transfer all the stuff inside through here. And let's start by getting this mini pochette. And I also have this long shot and this card holder, and then I have this Hermes Bastia, and I have this sunglasses from Louis Vuitton, and it all fits in here, and I can still fit more. And I noticed that if you're gonna clip this lock here, I find it hard to get things in and out. Like, did you see this? 2 leather protruding. So if I'm gonna wear this, I think I'm gonna just leave this open, and then just so I can grab things easily and put it easily, and then when you lock it, it will still maintain its shape. And it's in magnetic lock closure. This. So it's nice that this looks really small, but it fits a lot, and the iPhone 10 fits here halfway or less than halfway in here, like if you are in a hurry. And my iPhone 10 has a case, so the iPhone with the case will fit here at the back. That it really fits our essentials. See that it closes like this, and then like this. So cute! So let me know, guys, what you think of this new Polene Numero Uno Nano purse. If you love this color or you like the brown or the black. It has also like a cream colored, but I'm so impatient that I just got what colors left, and I like this dark burgundy color. That's why I ordered it. And I think it took less than a week for it to arrive here. It arrived here via DHL, and I think Polene is an Italian made or French made, because it says PoleneParis.com. So it's from France, but it came from Spain. So I don't know if this is made, oh, let's see. So it says made in Spain. That's why it came from Spain. Made in Spain. And then there's another compartment here inside, and it's lined, burgundy lined. So all leather in here, and this purse is really made well, and I just love it. I'm so glad that I'm not disappointed with this purse, and I really like it. So I can't wait to wear this, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. And yeah, please don't forget to leave your feedback and like this video if you like it, and please do subscribe. So I'll see you again next time.